Welcome PyCoders to the core Python tutorials for the beginners. So in the last tutorial we have seen the AND operator is working in Python print function, how to use it and how it will got particular attached to different print statement in Python programming. So let's continue with the series. So in next video series we have to see the arrays in Python, the operation related to the array and the methods those are used along with an array in Python. So we know what is an array. Array is a set of similar types of values. Means inside an array we want to create the set of similar types of values. The set of values those are belongs to only a one single data type over to there. So we want to create an array. We will have any kind of versatile and fast data types in Python which called as a list, and list and array is very quite similar to each other. Only the difference is in at the creational way, because to create an array I need to import the array package which is from our Python inbuilt programming. So let's see how to create an array, how it will be created, and how we can work with the array in programming. So for that I will open my Python ideally. All right, I will create a new file over here. Okay. All right, so here first of all I need to import my array concept, array from our package. So import array, then later on I need to create an array. Okay, I will use array as I said a. You will have this explanation in the last video tutorial. We will have this explanation how to import and all. So then later on I need to create an array. To create an array we will have the syntax like such a way. I need to write an array name first. So first must be the name of array. I will just write the syntax in comment. The name of array first, okay, equal to, I need to write my package name. Here I will use the package name as a. So a dot array function we will use, and this array function will have two different types of argument. First, which is nothing but in single code, is nothing but a type code, the type code along with the data type. All right, and the second is nothing but our array elements in open and close square bracket like this. So by such a way I want to create my array. So let's have the type code. What are the type codes exactly, and what will be the type codes will be present in Python. So to understand the type code, what I will do is I will just mentioning some of the type codes like here. So we will have the, if suppose I need to create an array of unsigned signed integer, so I will use b. If suppose unsigned I want to create, I will use capital B. Then these are some type codes in Python that is used for creating an array. So here it seems I need to create an integer array, so I will use my small I over to there with an array element. So how it will be like, I will open my Python ideally. All right, so here I'm gonna be created my array. The name of array is like arr, then a dot array, and we'll have the two different types of arguments. So first I need to provide I, and the second element suppose 10, 20, 30. So we have successfully got created an array. Then I will just print array. Let's check it out the output, and then we will simply access the array in here. I'll save this file as like array example. All right, I save this file. Okay, run this model, run module, and you can say the array which coming from this I and having this value like this. So by printing an array it will print all the type codes related to the elements of an array. What if like I need to access all the elements by their indexing, as of the array will support as an index. If suppose I'm accessing 0 index value, I am saving this code, I am running the model, you can get the first index value over here. What if like I need to access whole array using a one single print statement, then it will be like this. First I will print my message, print the array elements are, okay, I will use end equal to without space, and then I will write for x in that array, and I will print that x by specifies by the space. All right, so save this code out and run this model, and you can get the array elements are 10, 20 and 30. Okay, so that how we can create an array. This is the code for creating an array. creating an array, and this will be the code. This for loop will be used for accessing array elements. So that how we can works with an array. So what if like I need to insert some values to the array? So we will have two different functions over here. To insert a value at the last point, at the last index of an array, you can use the append method with the array as an object. So my object name is array dot, I will use append method. Suppose I need to append 50 value. Okay, I'm say then semicolon, and I will print my array. I will just copy this code and paste it down yet here. All right, and array elements after append, I just write after append. I will save this code out and then run model. You can get the array element. So sorry, I actually need to write the slash n over here to demonstrate in between this. Again, run model. So you can get the array elements are this one, 10, 20, 30, and after array elements after append, you can see the 50 is got to be append at the last index of this array. What if like I need to insert a value at any specified position in an array? You can use the input function over to there. So what I will use that array as insert method, and this insert method will have two different argument. First is nothing but index and another is nothing but the value. Okay, I said at the second index I need to insert 60 as a value. All right, so after this I am just again printing out my array. So I will copy this code out, printing down here array elements after insert. I will write save this code and then go to the run model, and you can check it out. Add the second index 0 1 2, the 60 has been replaced over to there as of the 30, right? Sorry, 30 will be there, and at the second index the value is going to be inserted. So that how we can insert the array values, array elements in our Python programming using the append function and using the insert function as well. What if like I need to remove the values from an array? So to remove the value from an array, I will use the pop and remove methods. Okay, the pop will directly what we can say delete the last element of an array. So I will use array dot pop like this, and then later on I will just printing out this code and pasting it down. I will write after pop, and then we will printing out all the elements. So save this code, run the model. You can check it out. After the first array element 10 20 30, after append 50 got append, after insert 60 got insert, and after pop the last value is supposed to be deleted, which is nothing but a 50. So after 50 is got to be deleted, and we can directly use the pop function to works with so far. What if like I need to delete the value from the particular index of an array? All right, so if I need to delete the value from first index, then you can directly use that array. What I will do, I will copy this whole code and replace it down. Copy, next array of remove function, and remove, suppose I need to delete by the first index, and array after remove we will got print. I will save this file. Okay, check the output of this program. Oh sorry, there is an error. Remove with x is not in array. Sorry, the 1 is not present in array. What I will do is 10 I will write, because the 10 value present in our array. So I'm just run model. You can get array elements 10 20 30. After appending value 50 it will got added. After append insert the value of 60 it will got added. We will pop the operation. So 10 50 is deleting, again the 10 is got deleting by the remove method. So that how some operations in Python we can use in array, such as like creation of an array, then insert function of an array, then append function, then we will have pop method, we will have remove method as well. What if like I need to check the index of that particular file, then how I can use the index over to there? Okay, so I need to check the index is occurrence in the file or not. Okay, and then we will check the reverse as well. To check the index occurrence on the file, what I will do is, suppose I need to write array dot index function, and if suppose the 10 index, we will check it out for the 10 as of the 10 will present on the file or not. Okay, I write, and I want to use the slash n because it must be new line. So save this file, I need to check the 10 is present on my array or not. Alright, and you can get the value x is not in array. Right, this value is not in array. What I will do is I will write the value as like suppose 20. Right, I need to get the index of this value, so I just run the module again. So you can get the value of 20 is placed at the 0 index. So that how the index operation will be works. And if I need to print the array in reverse mode, then I directly use the reverse function and we are directly print an array. So instead of using this, I will use the reverse function. So I will copy this code out, paste it down, and the function name is reverse without having any parameters, and array after reverse. You can check it out the output by running down this program. So you can get the reverse array element is 30, 60 and 20. So that how we can reverse the values from an array, and that how we can implement the array operation in Python. So guys, if you're not giving a subscribing to our channel, then what you will waiting for? Please do subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. At the end of this video, you could get all the concept related to the array in Python, and you will be happy to understand all this concept in Python, how to write the codes and all. Alright, so do share with your colleagues, do like, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Happy coding. Bye bye.